Introducing the XtractSR Dismounted Frontline Combat Litter. The goal of the XtractSR is to assist the process of reducing preventable deaths on the battlefield. Through a detailed understanding of the needs of the casualty, the rescuer, and the overall operational needs of the agency. The XtractSR stretcher provides the rescuer and the organization with a unique blend of modular components that can be configured depending on the operational parameters. The Extract range of stretchers is the end product of a story going back to the first Gulf conflict. While commanding a forward medical section, Colin Smart realized that it simply wasn't feasible to take a standard stretcher out on patrol, and there was a real need for a lightweight and compact stretcher, which would protect the casualty and could be easily carried with operational equipment, making it available to the individual soldier at squad level. After years and development, in 2015, the Extract 2 was adopted as the frontline stretcher of the British military, fulfilling Colin Smart's vision to provide a practical, lightweight, robust operational stretcher that can be taken on foot patrol. The story continues with the ongoing development of the modular XtractSR. Evidence shows us that when caring for seriously injured casualties, we should direct interventions to avoid the lethal triad. Research from Brody et al. Shows that 36% of casualties who had tourniquets applied sustained full or partial lower limb amputation. The Extract range is specifically designed to cope with casualties with compromised anatomy that are frequently associated with an IED event. The XtractSR can be quickly adjusted to fit a wide range of individuals. Safely cocooned in an XtractSR, primary clots and treatments are protected, improving care of the life-threatening hemorrhage. The challenge to maintain a normal core temperature in the operational casualty remains. In recent operations, 42% of injured personnel arriving at the Camp Bastion Roll 3 facility were judged to be hypothermic. The XtractSR has been designed to address this fundamental issue. The immediate cocooning of the casualty reduces heat loss through convection. The insulated base of the XtractSR gives immediate insulation and comfort, protecting from heat loss through conduction. The combination of a lightweight, single-use inflatable life bed and protective cover will create a microclimate, insulating the casualty and further reducing heat loss. This lightweight element protection system, or EPS, provides a viable solution for early insulation of the casualty. Providing this vital insulation as close to the point of wounding as possible will reduce the instances of hypothermia in the operational casualty. No longer do we need to accept our casualty will be cold and uncomfortable when placed in a stretcher. Other drag stretchers typically attach drag straps to the casualty's head, elevating it off the ground, which immediately causes the neck to go into flexion. When this happens, the airway is potentially occluded and the cervical spine compromised. The XtractSR has been engineered to mitigate this and allows the casualty to be evacuated in a more neutral position by protecting the casualty's head with an additional layer of a high-density closed-cell foam and anchoring the X-straps at the shoulders. This allows for a safer, smoother, and faster extrication. Cube size and weight are critical to the selection of all operational equipment. The XtractSR provides a unique modular solution, allowing the operator to select the most appropriate configuration depending on operational parameters. XtractSR allows for a practical dragging solution. The combination of the Duralite fabric, the XtractSR base, and the X-straps provide multiple options for an effective drag extrication. Lifting a stretcher has always required multiple team members supporting the full load of our casualty and their equipment using the small muscle groups in their hands and arms, necessitating multiple personnel to leave the fight. The X-straps allow the rescuers to transfer the weight of the casualty to their shoulders, and once these large muscle groups are employed, rescuers' hands are freed up, fatigue is reduced, extraction speed is increased, and fewer squad members are required to leave the primary objective. The Xtract range of stretchers has been tested way beyond their expected working requirements. Most stretchers will provide a single configuration and struggle when they are tasked outside of their primary role. This means that multiple solutions are sought and multiple training programs required. Being a modular solution, the XtractSR can work in a variety of scenarios, from a dismounted litter to vehicle-mounted patrol litter, special operations, and domestic counterterrorism work, with only one set of training required for effective functionality. One standard training will cover multiple solutions, making the implementation of the XtractSR a simple process for any organization. The maintenance cost of an XtractSR is reduced, as many components are replaceable, reducing the need for whole unit substitution. The XtractSR uniquely combines low cube size and lightness with high durability and the core requirement for patient safety. It is an ingenious fusion of textile innovation with practicality that is born from deep understanding of the challenges of the operational environment. Through its carefully engineered design, it provides a new standard in casualty evacuation that can realistically be available at point of wounding. The XtractSR has an inherent flexibility, which makes it ideally suited to the diverse requirements across a wide spectrum of operational environments. For more information about the XtractSR, please contact the Tactical Division of Kingfisher Medical.